Good morning. Good morning, students. Rohatsh Sharma here, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department. Today, our topic is just in time. The topic is very useful for the industrial point of view. It is very useful in all type of industries. Just in time is a philosophy of manufacturing based on planned elimination of waste and continuous improvement of productivity. It is a tool that is used for the improvement of productivity in industry. Firstly, evolved in Japan, JIT just in time evolved in Japan after the Second World War, and after that, their diminishing market share in the auto industry. First, Toyota Motor Company implemented this in 1970s successfully. This system, Japanese manufacturers looked for a way to gain the most efficient use of limited resources. They worked on optimal cost quality relationship. After that, function of JIT. These are the function. Some are involves keeping stock levels to a minimum. स्टॉक बिल्कुल ही कम रखना, ये फंक्शन है जिट का. स्टॉक अराइव जस्ट इन टाइम टू बी यूज्ड इन प्रोडक्शन. प्रॉपरली टाइम से आए स्टॉक प्रोडक्शन के अंदर. वर्क्स बेस्ट where there is a close relationship between manufacturer and suppliers. Goods not produced unless firm has an order from a customer. जब तक कंपनी को ऑर्डर नहीं मिलेगा तब तक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं करेगी. Aims to get highest volume of output at the lowest unit cost. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करना लोएस्ट कॉस्ट पे. ए मेथड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल, प्रोडक्शन को कंट्रोल करता है. इफ़ देर इज़ नो डिमांड देन देर विल बी नो प्रोडक्शन. एंटिसिपेटेड प्लान कंज्यूमर डिमांड ट्रिगर्ड प्रोडक्शन. फिनिश्ड गुड असेंबल जस्ट इन टाइम टू बी सोल्ड टू कस्टमर. कस्टमर की डिमांड पर जल्दी से जल्दी उसको भेजना. Component part assembled just in time to become finished goods. Materials purchased just in time to make component parts. Objective of JIT: to reduce all non-value added activities, elimination of in-plant inventory, elimination of in-transit inventory, क्वालिटी एंड रिलायबिलिटी इम्प्रूवमेंट. क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करना, रिलायबल प्रोडक्ट बनाना, इन्वेंट्री को रिमूव करना, एंड नॉन वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज या एक्टिविटीज़ को रिमूव करना. मोस्टली ऑल ऑफ द बिग ब्रांड्स आर टुडे लाइफ यूज्ड दिस लाइक वॉक्सवैगन, टोयोटा, HP, जनरल मोटर्स, जॉन डियर एक्सेट्रा, and Dell companies also adopting this. Advantages of JIT: capital not tied up in stocks, less space required for stock, closer relationships with suppliers, reduced interior reduced deterioration, less vulnerability to fashion and technology changes, reduction in stock holding costs, increase in cash flow. Disadvantage: danger of disrupted production due to non arrival of supplies, danger of lost sales, high dependence on suppliers, less time for quality control on arrival of materials, increased ordering and admin costs, may lose bulk buying discounts. This is all about JIT tool. Thanks, students.